Mobile payments without NFC, is it possible?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile payments. Ever wondered if you can make mobile payments without NFC on your phone? We've got the answers for you.
What is NFC and why is it commonly used?
NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a technology that allows devices to communicate with each other when they're in close proximity, without the need for an internet connection. It's commonly used for mobile payments because it's quick, secure, and convenient. With just a tap of your phone, you can complete a transaction. But what if your phone doesn't have NFC?
Mobile payment alternatives without NFC.
QR codes. One of the most popular alternatives is QR codes. You've probably seen them everywhere, from restaurant tables to billboards. Many payment apps now allow you to generate or scan a QR code to complete a transaction. It's a simple camera scan away. SMS-based payments. SMS-based payments allow users to make transactions via text messages. While it might seem outdated, it's a reliable method, especially in areas with limited internet connectivity. Mobile banking apps. Many banks have their mobile banking apps with built-in payment options. These don't always require NFC and can process transactions over the internet using just your account details and PIN. Bluetooth. Some apps utilize Bluetooth technology to detect nearby devices and facilitate payments. While it's not as fast as NFC, it's still a viable option for many.
Are these methods secure?
Security is paramount when it comes to payments. While NFC is known for its security features, the alternatives mentioned are also secure, given you take some precautions. Always download official apps from trusted sources. Set up two-factor authentication if possible. Regularly monitor your transaction history for any suspicious activities. Use strong, unique passwords for your payment apps. So, there you have it. While NFC is a popular and convenient choice for mobile payments, it's not the only option out there. Whether you're using QR codes, Bluetooth, or SMS, making mobile payments is possible even without NFC. Remember to stay safe and secure while making transactions. We hope this information has been enlightening. Until next time, happy paying!